post-COVID world. Unpredictable, unexpected, unrelenting. From the Great Resignation to the breakdown of supply chains to factory closures, we're your source for understanding the changing business climate. In the wake of the pandemic, we've all personally experienced the impact of enforced remote work. Balancing work and home life, more meetings, Zoom fatigue, it's been isolating and draining. This isn't just us, it's our customers too. It's our partners. These are the conditions that professionals around the world had to try to adjust to. But some jobs can't be done remotely, with clear impacts worldwide. San Diego, California. On a clear day, you can see dozens of cargo ships waiting just off the coastline. This isn't normal. They're part of a backlog of nearly 100 ships waiting to unload cargo in LA and Long Beach, which are a 2-hour drive to the north. Fewer workers have been available to unload the ships as they arrive and transport the cargo, and so returning the containers takes even more time. The backlog is unlikely to clear before 2023. These delays are costing businesses billions of dollars. Since everything's connected, shortages in one area create shortages in another. Every industry on the planet, aerospace, healthcare, automotive, manufacturing, is feeling the effects of a global shortage of computer chips. And the pandemic isn't the only factor causing business difficulties. For example, in the United Kingdom, pubs have run out of imported beer. Why? Brexit added barriers for delivery drivers based in Europe, leading to shortages of 100,000 qualified drivers. Extreme weather has disrupted power grids around the globe, leading to factory closures, transport challenges, and more supply chain troubles. A globalised economy has been terrific for efficiency and scale, but recent events have made its disadvantages absolutely clear. And change, deep, radical change, will never ever stop. But radical change has brought new opportunities as well. With remote work likely to become a permanent aspect of professional work, talent pools across the globe have opened up like never before. At the same time, innovation and acceleration in online and hybrid e-commerce are driving revenue and creating new business models. Change is never entirely positive or negative, and businesses can harness change to solve challenges and take advantage of opportunities. Now, more than ever, businesses need to reinvent themselves in order to thrive on constant change and be there and be relevant to their customers and their employees. Many businesses have needed to revisit everything: what they offer customers, how they engage customers and fulfill demand, and how they manage the flow of information through their organisation. We're talking about entire business models changing and becoming operational in months. This has thrust data and the idea of data-driven business to the forefront. Data management is truly becoming one of the most strategic disciplines in an organisation. Organisations everywhere have more sources of data than they know what to do with. They need help to make sense of it, and they need that help quickly and effectively so that they can navigate the unpredictable dynamics of a world economy in flux. Data sharing and analytical needs have never been so high, and neither have regulatory compliance and governance needs all at once. And data leaders have more trouble than ever organising data across the business. 78% of business leaders say that working with data is challenging, and less than half even trust the data that they do have. Not only is data hard to organise and manage, but customers are demanding more power over the valuable data that they hand over to companies. That's why data regulations are mushrooming all over the world. Companies now struggle to balance the level of control needed over the data they have with the ability to get data and insights quickly. And it's our job, our responsibility, to help the world's governments, non-profits, educational institutions, healthcare organisations, and the most dynamic businesses on the planet to not only survive, but to thrive.